In this video, we are going to study our second unit, which is called Universe. What does it mean by universe? Universe means our world, okay? So, do we live alone in our world? We all know that we live on planet Earth. Does Earth is the only planet exist in the world or in the universe? No, it's not alone. So in the universe, there are other planets exist, right? Okay, let me ask you another question. If you look at the sky at night, what can you see at night? If you look at the sky, you can see what? You can see stars, right? And also you can see our moon. Okay? So this is what we are going to talk about in the first lesson. Lesson 1, stars and planets. Okay, let's start with the stars. What do you observe when you see the stars at night? You can find them what? You can find them shiny, right? So stars means they are shiny bodies with different shapes and in the space. Okay, different shapes and size in the space. They can be big, small, or medium size. Okay, if you look at the stars, what can you find? You can find them, they are very, very small. Okay, like a dot. You can see them like sparkling or shiny dots in the sky. Are they very small inside, like you see? No, they are not small. Okay, but they seem small to me. Why stars seem very small to us? Because they are very far away from us, so I can see them small. Okay, like the helicopter or the plane. If you look at them in the sky, you can find them like the size of a toy. You can find them, they seem to me that their size is small, but in real life the plane is too big. Okay, so why do I see the plane very small in the sky? Because it is very far away from me. Okay, so all of us know a special star. We see it every day. Okay, this star called the sun, our sun. So the sun is a star. Okay, why did I say about the sun that it's a star? Because it is a shiny body. All of us see the sun is shining, right? Okay, so we have here the sun, planets, and the moon. All of these are the components of the solar system. Why did they call it solar system? Solar means sun. So they call it on the name of our star, which is called sun. So the solar system consists of the sun, planets, moon, and another component called celestial bodies, or I'm going to say space bodies. So our solar system consists of the sun, planets, moon, and celestial bodies. So the solar system consists of the sun and the 8 planets, moon, and the last component is the celestial bodies. The bodies exist in the space. So why do they call it the sun system? Why solar means sun. So why they call it the sun system? Because the sun exists in the center of the solar system. Okay, and also it is the biggest body in the solar system. As you can see here, the sun is the biggest body in the solar system. And we said before that the sun is a star. Why? Because it's shiny and also it gives us heat and light. So that's why it's a star. Okay, so the sun is a star. Why do I see it very the nearest star to us. The sun is the nearest star to us. Let's talk about the planets. Okay, how many planets do we have in the solar system? 8 planets. Okay, but first, what do I mean by planets? They are dark bodies. They are not shiny like the sun, but they are dark bodies that revolve around the sun. Again, they are not shiny, but they revolve around the sun in fixed orbits. Again, what are the orbits? Can you see these lines, or on the board here, can you see these lines? We call them fixed orbits, like the track. Each planet has its own path, okay? They don't cross over each other because of the fixed orbit, okay? So these orbits, they are not exist in real life. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created the planets moving in their paths, okay? They don't cross over each other. These lines are imaginary lines, okay? So what are the names of the 8 planets? Number 1, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay? Now again, number 1, Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. Venus is the most beautiful planet. Earth, as we all know, the planet that where we live. Okay? Number 4, Mars is the red planet. Okay? After that, Jupiter, the biggest planet. It's so obvious here. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. What about the biggest body in the solar system? The biggest body is the Sun. The biggest planet is Jupiter. Okay? Then Saturn, the planet with colored rings rotating around it. It has colorful rings rotating around it. After that, Uranus, the cold planet. Neptune, the blue planet. Okay, so again, the solar system consists of Sun, 8 planets, and the Moon. Now we are going to talk about the Moon. Moon, it is a dark body that revolves around the Earth. We said here the planets, they are dark bodies that revolve around the Sun, but the Moon, it is a dark body that revolves around the Earth. Okay, so we said the Moon is a dark body. So why do we see the Moon bright at night? Okay, or I have a question. The Moon looks bright, shiny